Welcome to Purple Perception. I am Michelle, and I am taking photos looking for a new screenshot for the top of my YouTube channel after that lovely shower yesterday. Anyhow, good morning. This is the sunrise out at Borrego Springs. We are going to go see the sights. I have a mechanic's appointment at a 7-3 specialist in a couple days or a couple hours to the north, and I don't know when I'm going to make it back over here, so we figured today would be a good day to go check out the garden art sculptures, the giant, larger than life sculptures. It was quite a sight to see. The giant serpent going across the road was awesome. For some reason, it had a rattle on the end of the serpent's tail. Didn't make much sense, but oh well. We've seen some rams, some turtles, some various other things. Jason was kind enough to give me a ride in to go check out the sights. Hello everyone, welcome to Purple Perception. I am Michelle, and today we are in Borrego Springs, and we're going to go check out the statues.
Like I'm second, there's someone that you could forget. Got me drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling.
Okay. Look at this camel. Oh, it's all metal. And it's stitched together. So, in size comparison, I am here. I am at belly level. It's all rusty. I don't think this will survive anywhere else other than out in the desert.
Looks like one of them camel things.
It does look like a camel thing. And it's huge.
Oh, it's kneeling so that you can get onto it. You should try.
I don't think that's a thing, and nor would I try. I thought I'd try, but it feels too thin. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I just said there's a dragon or something. If you want.
Yeah, that's, see it in the distance there?
Uh-huh.
Oh god, I stood up too fast now. My head brain.
What'd you do?
I stood up too fast.
Oh, you should.
Haven't ate yet today.
Is that two dinosaurs on top of each other? And why is that two dinosaurs on top
What
of
is
each other?
going on here? What is going on here?
I don't know. It doesn't look healthy.
Oh well, let's record it, cause what? Oh, it's not a dinosaur. It's a sloth.
Do sloths do that?
Apparently a mama and a baby sloth. Here, we thought it was a dinosaur and something weird was going on. No, it's a sloth. Oh, look how huge that is, though. I mean, it's metal, but it's light metal. It's like huge. It'd eat me up. Look how huge it is. I mean, look at this. This is almost, okay, this is me standing up completely, straight underneath it. Here, I thought it was a dinosaur. I want to go check out that dragon though. That is cool. We got short stops in between it. I don't know why, but everyone's having mechanical problems lately.
Yeah, it's a sloth. Look at it's got hooks on its feet for climbing tree things.
Yeah, a sloth with a baby sloth on the back. So today it's me and Jason out here. The rest of the group went up to Julian to explore. It's at 4,000 feet and a lot cooler. It's supposed to be 93 today, which it doesn't feel like it right now. It probably will be a little bit later. But since I'm going in to have my rig checked out at the mechanics tonight or tomorrow to 2 hours to the north, I figured I'd get this done because I don't know how long I'll be there, depending on what actually ends up being diagnosed on the engine. But let's just go enjoy this.
Not have stop being such a heavy toad until you get the engine figured out.
Well, I can't do that, and the
Because I know all your stuff's in here.
engine figured out will be here soon, so that will be done. But it online, the towing capacity is still at 12,000, 14,000 pounds
Yeah.
towing capacity. And so if you consider that it can handle 14,000 pounds towing capacity, that would be a rolling weight of 14,000 pounds. If I'm not pulling that much weight or don't have the weight on it, it should still be able to do it.
Why is this guy laying down? What happened to him?
I don't know. I think there's a story to this.
Yeah, because he's supposed to be like this.
Yeah?
He's frozen in time.
Yeah? Like he's crystallized or dying off, maybe the end of the species. Oh no, there's probably a whole thing about why they're out here and the story behind them all. Oh,
Yeah, it definitely looks like a giant mouse or something.
looks
Put
like someone
paper on
toilet
it, maybe.
papered it.
Yeah. Why would somebody toilet paper the giant
I
mouse?
don't know. What do people do everything that they do?
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
It is a giant rat. Maybe.
Making you look clear, but you're gonna leave me in the
Yeah,
deep.
there's probably a whole instruction on everything. They always dragons, the Chinese dragons always have hairs or whiskers coming out of the nostrils. It's like, well,
Yeah.
what would that purpose be? Or serpents, I guess it would be. Not dragons.
Very intricate, I know that.
Ah, that's awesome.
So there's a place out here like an ironworks. They're probably the ones that did all this.
Is, oh, look, someone graffitied it still.
Somebody did what?
Graffitied it still,
What? Where?
back there.
Oh, did they paint over?
Idea of scale. I am under the chin.
Will you need a time, giving me the signs of life.
That looks like a rattler. Got a snake's tail. How interesting.
Up there too. There's a bunch
Oh,
of stuff
there's
over there.
smaller rams.
Yeah,
I wonder.
It's fairly small too.
I wonder if there's someone else's land because it's set up kind of different. Well,
You still thirsty? Want some more?
and these are so much smaller than the rest of them. Maybe this is where they started and they worked their way back.
Yeah, maybe.
Look at the palm grove.
Yeah, a lot of them are dead. It looks like. There were
Well-
a lot of dead ones inside.
Oh wow, yeah. Maybe they're running into a moisture issue here. The birds like the elephants, that's for sure.
And there's something over there too.
Little short suckers. I'll hold it the camera at eye level so you can kind of have an idea on how tall it is. A little bit lower than eye level for the elephant's eyes. Very interesting. Had to support the wing there, the metal there. The metal's not thick enough to support that one thing. We want to see what that big horn thing is I was looking at across the field, and I am going to bring it to you. But first, turtles! Lots of little mini turtles there. And what else to look at? There's a person over there. There's a turtle there, a big giant turtle right next to the car. But the thing that was poking out funny is a person. Actually, it looks like a Mayan statue with 3 feathers that we thought were horns. Very interesting, very tall. It's starting to get big. That's really cool. And as size comparison, me compared to it, it's a little shorter, but it's still pretty big. Very muscular. And look, they even put veins in the metal.
What'd they do?
They put veins. There's like veins in here.
Oh, wow.
See him going across it?
Yeah. So why is his face gold? It must be Aztec.
Aztec, Mayan,
Yeah, it could
Southern
I don't really
America.
I know the difference, but then I don't. Some of them are from Mexico, and then the other ones are from South America.
Still pretty cool. Just do a quick circle. There's people. It's alright, I got a GoPro.
How many times you want to go around it?
That's good. I mean, I like to go around it, but there's people there, so it's kind of... Oh God, look at that.
Well, it's a prehistoric thing.
Yeah, that's prehistoric, like elephant or something. So there has to be a backstory to all this. Spoken to our left. That road.
Oh yeah, we'll go.
Maybe it's better. It is grapes. Look, it has grapes on the side.
I knew it.
How'd you know that? And there's grapes over there, and they're standing there. I'm guessing they had grapes in this area at one point.
Yeah.
They probably had a grapevine.
We'll do an orbit, and then we'll go around the other ones. So you can see both sides.
Yeah.
We're gonna miss that rock.
Okay. I could have swore when I got stuck the other day, I had a rock stuck in my tire.
That would be.
You think there's anything up that road? Or maybe down that road?
You should look on the map and see if there's any that we didn't see.
That was cool. I think he's